Hi, I'm Hector Del Castillo of Bold PM. I help companies boost agility and speed to launch better technology and software products faster. I'm super excited to lead a keynote talk at the PMI Silver Spring 2021 Symposium titled Making Change Happen Against the Odds. We live in a rapidly changing and interconnected world. For project managers, 2021 is a pivotal moment and we must act to seize it. Saving lives during the COVID-19 crisis, rebuilding the US economy, advancing racial equity, reducing economic inequality, and mitigating climate change are big, complex economic and social issues. They have caused unprecedented market shifts, exponentially changing buyer behavior, lost sales revenue, new requirements for remote working, supply chain disruptions, and reduced team capacity for many organizations. The size and complexity of these challenges need leaders, innovators, and change makers of every shape and size to transform organizations into agile, purpose-driven organizations for greater resilience. Attend my talk to learn why building organizational agility is crucial, how to use your project management superpowers, how to build a better future for your teams and your community, critical skills to make your organization and community future-proof, and steps to boost organizational agility for greater resilience. Join me to discover how to use your project management superpowers to transform your organization into a purpose-driven, agile organization that builds a better future for your customers, shareholders, teams, families, and communities. If you have any questions you want me to cover, connect with me. I will be sure to include answers, examples, or case studies during my talk. You can learn more about it by following the short URL shown here. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great week.